Hello everybody and welcome. This is Tushar Chande. Have you wanted to find stocks that are in very strong trends so you could ride them for a decent profit? Well, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in and use the CHATS indicator or the Chande Absolute Trend Strength Indicator as a scanning tool to find stocks with very strong trends. A gentle reminder, there's always risk of loss in trading and past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. So CHATS is an indicator for TrendSpider called the Chande Absolute Trend Strength, and if you're not familiar with it, please use this YouTube video link to get a little background. So the challenge for the CHATS indicator is to combine 5 different time frames and many different tools and indicators into a single value. So imagine you had plotted all these different indicators on the upper panel and the lower panel, and you somehow wanted to combine them and interpret them as a single unit. That's complicated. So here it is. We've combined all those indicators from the previous slide into a single value. In the lower panel, we have the CHATS indicator from a scale of -100 to +100. In the upper panel, we're changing the colors of the candles based on the values below. Strong uptrends values near 100, so you have green candles. Strong downtrends would be -100, and you'd have a different color. TrendSpider allows you to use the CHATS indicator as a scan. So here we have set up daily CHATS value to be greater than 70, and we are scanning the S&P 500 index, and the results of the scan are on the right hand side, and I've sorted them with the CHATS indicator. Now there's not that much difference between a value of 100 and say even 98 or 99 or 95. So you will have to spend some additional time and your individual preferences to decide what to trade, but at least you have a starting point. This is the first chart on the list, ETR from the previous S&P 500 scan with a CHATS value of 100, and it's showing green bars, and clearly if you just were to draw a horizontal line here, it's clearly in a breakout mode. So CHATS save you the hassle of looking through 500 charts and just scan them and give you a single table to look at. Here we have used CHATS to scan by sectors. The strongest sector was utilities with the CHATS trend strength of 100. So let's dive into the XLU indicator or the utility space to find the strongest stocks in the strongest sector. Here we've scanned the utility sector, and we've ranked the stocks within the sector by trend strength using the CHATS indicator. And you have plenty of opportunities to choose from here, but let's look at the first stock on the list, WTRG. This is daily data for WTRG, which was the first name on the list on the previous slide. Lower panel has the CHATS indicator, which is above 75 and at 100. And I've shown you 3 possible accelerating stops using the PALS indicator, which is the parabolic accelerating long stop. The values are 10, 20, and 3, which means 10 is the opening channel, 20 is the reference starting point, and 1, 2, and 3 are nominal speeds, with 3 being faster. So if you look at the value of 1, it's moving quite slowly, 2 is moving a bit faster, and 3 is moving even faster. So you can select the speed to manage your risk and adjust your profits. This is daily data for American Electric Power, which was AEP, which was the second stock on the list. The lower panel is the CHATS indicator, clearly above 70 and at 100 for several days. Again, I've shown you the 3 values for the parabolic accelerating long stop, so you can choose where you would like to place your stop to manage your risk. So CHATS scans are a very effective tool to find stocks with strong trends, and then you can manage your risks and exits with the PALS stop. All the tools I've used are at TrendSpider.com. You can find more of my videos on my YouTube channel. I hope you'll like and subscribe, and thank you for listening.